guys, welcome back to Young Lee's Kitchen. We're out here on the river, middle of marron season. We're going to do another little bit of a cook up. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of a marron pasta. Bit of marron, bit of spaghetti and a few other bits and pieces. I'm going to go you through what we're going to need right now. First thing you're going to need, marron obviously. Freshly caught, we caught him this afternoon down by the river. He's been in the freezer, gone to sleep, perfect for using. Also going to need some bacon, some minced garlic, some garlic salt, 1 onion, some spring onions for decorative purposes, a little bit of Parmesan cheese, and last but not least, some spaghetti. Let's get right into it. First things first, we've got to boil some water for the spaghetti. So get a pot on here, a bit of water. Alright, while we're waiting for that to boil, time to prep up our marrons. Right, we had a bit of a win today. We've got 2 big dogs, one just in size one. We're going to use all of them today. Time to get cutting. Alright, once you've got all your marron cut in half, you just want to take all that gunk and poop shoot out of there. We're going to do that down by the river. Alright, once you've got your marron all trimmed up in halves, cleaned up, put them aside. It's time to get the rest of the ingredients prepped up. I'm going to dice up an onion. Onions diced, slice up a bit of bacon. Once you've got your bacon chopped up, chop up your garlic. We've gone for minced garlic, ready to go. So you've got chopped up onions, the bacon, the garlic, Parmesan cheese a bit later. We'll chop up the spring onions a little bit later, they're for decorative purposes. And then we're just waiting for the water to boil. Alright, our water's boiling now. Time to get some pasta on the go. I'm just cooking up for 2 today, so I reckon I'm just going to need not that much. Maybe a little bit more. Right, the pasta's boiling away there. It's going to be cooked in no time. Ideally, if we had 2 burners, we could do the pasta and the marron at the same time, make it all ready at once. But we're going to take that aside once it's finished and put that in a bowl with a bit of olive oil, stop it sticking together, get the marron underway. But while that's happening, let's check the nets. Right, ideally marroning's better at night time. They sort of come out of the night time, but we've got those lot during the middle of the day, so who knows, it could be on. Let's have a look. No, nothing. Let's check the rest. No, empty again. And off. Right, nothing on that pool, so we'll just check this pasta, give that a bit of a stir. Coming along nicely. A couple more minutes and should be ready to go. Al dente, just how we want it. So we'll give that a quick strain off. Once you've got that strained off, just going to add a little bit of olive oil to stop that from all sticking together. Give it a bit of a stir up. Pop that aside. Alright, pasta's off the heat. Got a bit of heat into this pan. Going to chuck the marron on. We're going to go shell side down first, salt them up, then give them a flip. Let's get it underway. Alright, they're starting to sizzle up nicely on the shell side down. Just going to give them a little drizzle of olive oil. We've got some Coles garlic salt here. Give them a nice dusting of that. Give them a couple of minutes each side, give them a flip, wait until that meat's just off cooked, and we're going to pull the meat out, pop it back in, you'll see, it's going to be a good time. Right, you can sort of see the whiteness coming through, sort of cooking about halfway there. So give them a bit of a flip. Forgot my tongs, but bush cooking, make do with what you got. Give them another couple of minutes and pull them off. Alright, they've been on for about 5 minutes either side. Just give them a little flippy do. Yeah, that's looking red hot there. A little bit of golden brown action happening. Happy with that, we're going to pull them off, let them cool down a little bit, and then we'll pull all the meat out of them. Alright, I'm just going to pull the meat out of all them, separate it there. We'll probably keep the nippers as well. I'm a big fan of the nippers, so put them aside. One. Alright, last one, last nipper. Got them separated. Now we're just going to chop up the meat just into little bite-sized pieces. Now that we've got that done, it's time to put this pasta together. Alright, straight back into the same pan we were using, keep them flavours going, a little bit of oil, get that nice and red hot. We're going to bomb in our onions. Right, get a nice sizzle on them onions now. Got the minced garlic. Got them juicy hands. Fucking Jesus. I'm a big fan of garlic, so I'm going to put a decent scoop in there. Get nice and brown real quick, bit of bacon. Just going to fry that up till the bacon's nice and golden brown. Looking good. Now while we're waiting for that to brown up, we're going to chop up our spring onions. Spring onions are chopped. That bacon, a little sizzle, a little stir. It's just spitting. And bomb in the marron that we just pulled apart earlier. I'm going to put the cores in there as well for a little bit extra cooking. Bit of a surprise, you know. Digging through your pasta, you find a nice little marron tool. Well, that's all coming along nicely. Nice bit of browning to it all. We get our pasta from earlier, give that a little stir. And just putting that olive oil in there just stops it all sticking together real nice. So get that in. Sweating out here. It's about 36 degrees out here. But once you reckon you've got enough heat back into your pasta, time to add some chives. I'm just about happy with that, I reckon. Shut the heat off. couple more tosses. It's looking red hot, I reckon. Time to plate it up, give it a taste test. Bit of cheese on there. Oh, it's going to be tasty. Got a nice couple of bowls here for me, myself and the cameraman. Let's plate it up. Yeah, tongs would have helped, but we'll make it work. Look at that, nicely done. A little bit of cheese just for presentation purposes and for taste. Red hot. Let's get stuck in, I reckon. Freshly caught, just out of here in the nets, about what, 2 or 3 hours ago there, cameraman. Let's give it a taste test. Marron's spot on. Pasta's al dente. Bacon, you can taste it. Nice with the cheese. What a cracking feed. All provided by the river. Marron season 2021, being a cracker. If you like this sort of shit, like and subscribe. Check out our other videos. Check out our merch page, bushrats.bigcartel.com. We've got stickers, more shirts coming soon. Plenty more marroning to go. But till next time, guys, we'll see you out there.